You'll be sorry that you mess with the US of A. 'Cause we'll put a boot in your ass, it's the American way. Hey, Uncle Sam, put your name at the top of...
We got right here my lovely piece of shit. And I've been mudding with this fucker and it's almost dead. So hopefully it don't fuck up while I'm taking this video. But yeah, it has a little coolant leak, but yeah, who gives a shit? Almost stalling. Shit. I'm on my old mud trails for my truck. Not that bad, but beating the living shit out of it. Lovely mirror. For the engine to blow up. That looks like a fucking... There. Uh-oh. Well, I think I killed it. Yeah. It's a lovely piece of shit pulled that out today to fuck around, so I don't think I'll be able to fuck around anymore. I just hooked up a battery pack, see this shit that you're supposed to use to wear. Let's see. Oh. Haven't killed it yet. Haven't killed it. Okay, maybe it's dead. Think it's dead a little. Well, it ran for a second. That's about it. So let's try it again. Don't think I've killed it yet. Personally. On the gas, keep it running, but that's about it. Still moves though. Somehow figure out how to get back over it.